Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach class 6 subject English and the sub-subject is A Pact with the Sun, means supplementary reader. And the topic that I have chosen today to teach you is what happened to the reptiles. I will divide this chapter into 3 parts because the chapter is lengthy. There are many paragraphs. So I will divide this chapter into 3 parts. This is the part 1 of this chapter. It means I will complete this chapter in 3 classes. So let's start the chapter. Paragraph number 1. You may not believe this story, but I can tell you it is true because I have been to Pambupatti, a village on the edge of the jungle. It is on a cliff and the vast forest stretches below like a mossy green carpet. There are many kinds of people in the village: dark, fair, tall, short. They speak many languages. Some eat meat, some don't. Some pray in a small temple at the edge of the forest. Others pray in a mosque some miles away. In the very first paragraph, it is given, you may not believe this story. The writer tells us that I am going to tell you a story, but you may not believe it. You may believe it or may not believe it. But I can tell you it is true. But I can tell you it is true. But the writer tells us that perhaps you may not believe my story, but the story is true. The story that I am going to tell you is true. It is not wrong. Because I have been to Pambupatti, a village on the edge of the jungle. Because the writer, the person who is telling us the story, he tells us that I have been to Pambupatti, a village on the edge of the jungle. I have been to Pambupatti means मैं पाम्बुपट्टी जा चुका हूँ. The village is situated on the edge of the jungle. That village is situated on the edge of the jungle. वो village जो है वो गांव क्या है, जंगल के किनारे बिल्कुल बसा हुआ है. It is on a cliff and the vast forest stretches below like a mossy green carpet. It is on a cliff. The village is on a cliff. You can say stony region. क्लिफ कहते हैं खड़ी चट्टान को, ऊंची चट्टान को. Here you can say a vertical rock face. It is on a cliff. The village is situated on a cliff and the vast forest stretches below. And the vast you can say large. There is a large forest that is stretches जो कि फैला हुआ है. The vast forest stretches below like a mossy green carpet. It is like a mossy green carpet. Mossy काईदार जिसको हम कहते हैं, कहीं काई जम जाती है तो वो जगह क्या बिल्कुल हरी भरी हो जाती है. So it stretches below like a mossy green carpet and the whole forest. If you go to the village and you will see the village from that, see the forest from that village, you can see the forest look like the mossy green carpet. काईदार बिल्कुल जो है जैसे हरी चादरें बिछा दी गई हों ऐसा लगता है. वो जंगल ऐसे नज़र आते हैं. It stretches below like a mossy green carpet. There are many kinds of people in the village. In the village there are many kinds of people. For example, some people are dark, some are fair, some are tall, some are short. So you can find different kinds of people. You can find the short people, you can find the tall people, you can find the fair people, you can find the dark people, like that. So this is the so you can find different kinds of people. They speak many languages. Those people speak many languages. In that village, people speak many languages. They know many languages. Some eat meat, some doesn't. In Pambupatti, there are some people, there are some persons who eat the meat, but there are also some persons who don't eat the meat. So you can find different kinds of people related to food too, related to their food 2. Some pray in a small temple at the edge of the forest. Some pray in a small temple. There is a small temple in the village at the edge of the forest. At the edge of the forest. जंगल के किनारे पर एक छोटा सा मंदिर भी है जहाँ पर लोग क्या करते हैं, पूजा करते हैं. And others pray in a mosque some miles away. And there are other people also who pray in a mosque that is some mile away from the village. There is also a mosque in the village. Some people pray in that mosque too. So there are the people of different religions too. There are different kinds of people. They look different in several ways. There are different kinds of foods. Different people eat different kinds of foods, and there are people of different religions too. Some pray in the temple and some pray in the mosque. Now come to the next one. My name is Prem and I live many hundred miles away from Pambupatti. I had heard about the village, but I would never been there. Then last year, something terrible happened. The people of my own village went mad far, far away in a place they have never even been to. A temple or mosque had been burnt down and they went mad. They started fighting with one another. Some had to run away in the middle of the night, and at 3 in the morning, as I lay in my house, half awake to the sounds of hate and violence, there was a fire. Many houses were burnt down in the fire. One of them was mine. Now, the writer is coming towards himself. He tells us that my name is Prem. The person who is going to tell us, who is telling us the story, the name of that person is Prem. My name is Prem and I live many hundred miles away from Pambupatti. And I live many hundred miles away from Pambupatti. Means I live far away from Pambupatti. ये जो है कहानी बताने वाला प्रेम है, जो कहता है कि मैं पाम्बुपट्टी का रहने वाला नहीं हूँ. ही इज टेलिंग अस द स्टोरी ऑफ पाम्बुपट्टी बट ही डज नॉट बिलोंग टू पाम्बुपट्टी. ही लिव्स मेनी हंड्रेड माइल्स अवे फ्रॉम पाम्बुपट्टी. वो पाम्बुपट्टी से सैकड़ों मील दूर रहता है. आई हैड हर्ड अबाउट द विलेज. प्रेम हैड हर्ड अबाउट द विलेज. प्रेम ने जो है विलेज के बारे में सुना था. ही हैड हर्ड अबाउट द विलेज, अबाउट पाम्बुपट्टी, बट I would never been there. But he had never been there. But he hadn't got any chance to be there. लेकिन उसे कभी मौका नहीं मिला कि वो वहाँ जाए. But I would never been there. But Prem tells us that he had never been there. He had never visited Pambupatti. लेकिन वो पाम्बुपट्टी कभी नहीं गया था. And I had heard about the village, but I would never been there. Then last year, something terrible happened. Then last year, something terrible happened with Prem. Let us see what was the thing that was very terrible for him. The people of my own village went mad. Now Prem tells us that the people of his own village went mad. उसके अपने गांव के लोग पागल हो गए. Let us see what was the madness. Far, far away in a place they have never ever been to. A temple or mosque had been burnt down. A temple or mosque had been burnt down, and that temple or mosque was far, far away. And the people of my village, means Prem's village, never been to that place where the temple or mosque had been burnt away. And the people of Prem's village went mad. And they went mad. Means there was a mosque or temple that was far, far away from Prem's village. The people of Prem's village listened about that and they started to quarrel among themselves. They started to quarrel among themselves, although they had never been to that place. एक मंदिर या एक मस्जिद को जला दिया गया था जो कि प्रेम के गांव से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर थी, जहां पर प्रेम के गांव के लोग कभी गए भी नहीं थे. उसको सुन करके ये आपस में लड़ पड़े. Far, far away in a place they have never ever even been to a temple. A mosque had been burnt down and they went mad. They started fighting with one another. When they listened about that mosque or temple that was burnt, they started to fight one another. Although this was not related to their own village, but they started to fight with one another. अगरचे ये उनके अपने गांव की बात नहीं थी, फिर भी वो आपस में लड़ पड़े. Some had to run away in the middle of the night. Some had to run away. कुछ लोगों को भागना पड़ा in the middle of the night. बीच रात में, मध्य रात्रि में. Some people had to run away from their village, from their houses in the middle of the night because of those violences. In the middle of the night, and at 3 in the morning, as I lay in my house, and in the morning at 3, when Prem was lying in his house, means he was taking rest, he was sleeping in his house, half awake to the sound of hate and violence. At that time he was half awake, half asleep, and in that condition he listened the sound of violence, the sound of hate and violence. 3 बजे रात में जब कुछ आधा जगा हुआ और आधा सोया हुआ था प्रेम, यानी पूरी तरह से न तो नींद में था न तो पूरी तरह से जगा हुआ था, उस वक्त उसने नफरत और जो है वायलेंस की आवाज़ों को सुना. There was a fire, there was a fire. आग लगा दी गई थी, आग लग चुकी थी. And many houses were burnt down in the fire, and in that fire many houses were burnt down, and one of them was mine. One of those houses was Prem's house. वो घर जिनको जला दिया गया था, बहुत से घरों को जला दिया गया और उनमें से एक घर प्रेम का भी था. Now let us see next paragraph. I managed to grab a few clothes, some coins, my little Ganesh statue, and I ran. I ran for a day and a night, resting whenever my legs should not carry me any further. I jumped onto a train, then on a bus, no tickets, never mind, everyone seemed to be running. Finally, I found myself in Pambupatti, and I saw some villagers gathered near a well. I ran to them, and before I could say a thing, I fainted. I managed to grab a few clothes. Grab, clutch, to collect. I managed to grab a few clothes. I collected a few clothes that I can at that time. Some coins I have also taken. I had also taken some coins and my little Ganesh statue. And I had also taken my Ganesh statue. Prem had taken his clothes, coins and little Ganesh statues that he had with himself. And I ran, and then Prem ran. Then Prem ran from that place. Then Prem ran from his own village. ये सब चीज़ें लेकर के प्रेम क्या हुआ, अपने थोड़े से कपड़े, कुछ सिक्के और गणेश की एक स्टेचू मूर्ति लेकर के ये क्या हुआ, भाग गया, वहाँ से भाग पड़ा. I ran for a day and a night. Prem ran for a day and a night. Means he was walking and walking throughout the day and night. वो जो है एक दिन और एक रात चलता रहा. Resting whenever my legs would not carry me any further. Any further you can say any more. He was taking the rest only if his legs were not allowed. His legs were not allowing him to go, allowing him to walk. वो उसी वक्त रेस्ट करता था जब उसके लेग, उसके पैर जो क्या है उसको चलने की इजाज़त नहीं देते थे, जब उसके पैर चलने के काबिल नहीं होते थे. Resting whenever my legs would not carry me any further, he took rest whenever his legs couldn't carry him anymore. I jumped onto a train, then on a bus. Means first of all he jumped onto a train, he entered, he travelled on a train. पहले उसने ट्रेन से सफ़र किया एंड देन ऑन अ बस एंड देन ही ट्रेवल्ड ऑन अ बस. उसके बाद उसने बस पर सफ़र किया. नो टिकट्स, ही हैडंट टिकट्स. नो टिकट्स, नो टिकट्स, ही हैडंट एनी टिकट्स. ही डिडंट बाई अ टिकट फॉर ट्रेन और बस. नेवर माइंड, He tells us that never mind, everyone seemed to be running. Never mind, everyone seemed to be running, because everyone who was traveling in those buses or trains, they were only seemed to running away from their own places. सभी लोग भागते हुए नजर आ रहे थे, इसीलिए ट्रेन का टिकट या बस का टिकट न होने पर कोई भी परेशानी नहीं थी. I found myself in Pambupatti. Then finally I found myself in Pambupatti. Finally, on traveling several days, after traveling several days, Prem found himself into Pambupatti, in Pambupatti village. And I saw some villagers gathered near a well. He saw there was a well and there were a few villagers who gathered at that well, who were gathered at that place. I saw some villagers gathered near a well. Some villagers gathered near a well. They were talking with each other. I ran to them. Prem ran to them. And before I could say anything, I fainted. Before Prem could say anything to those villagers of Pambupatti, he fainted. He fallen down and fainted. इससे पहले कि प्रेम गांव वालों से कुछ कह पाता, उससे पहले ही क्या हुआ, वो गिरा और बेहोश हो गया. Now see the next one. When I opened my eyes, I saw an old man with white hair, white beard and shining black eyes bending over me. For the next few days he looked after me, putting food in my mouth and bringing me sweet, cool water from the stream. He rubbed my feet gently and made the pain go away. Neighbors, strangers, everyone came to visit me. In this paragraph, Prem tells us that when I opened my eyes, when he opened his eyes, when next time he opened his eyes, I saw an old man with white hair. He saw there was an old man whose hairs were white, whose beard was white and shining black eyes, and he had two shining black eyes. जब उसने आंखें खोली तो उसने देखा कि उसके सामने जो क्या है, एक बूढ़ा सा आदमी है जिसके बाल सफ़ेद हो गए थे, दाढ़ियाँ सफ़ेद हो गई थीं और उसकी दो काली जो है चमकती हुई आंखें थीं. बेंडिंग ओवर मी, दैट ओल्ड मैन वॉज बेंडिंग ओवर मी. ही वॉज एग्जामिनिंग प्रेम, वो प्रेम के ऊपर झुका हुआ था, उसका निरीक्षण कर रहा था. व्हाट वॉज हैपन टू हिम, कि उसके साथ क्या हुआ. For the next few days, he looked after me. For the next few days, that old man looked after, take care of Prem. Looked after me. That old man took care of Prem. अगले कुछ दिनों तक उसी बूढ़े आदमी ने प्रेम का ख्याल रखा, उसकी देखभाल की. Putting food in my mouth. He was putting food in my mouth means he gave me the food to eat and bringing me sweet, cool water from the stream. So bringing me sweet and cool water from the stream. That old man gave food and water to Prem to eat and drink. Stream. He rubbed my feet gently and made the pain go away. He rubbed, because Prem had traveled a lot. That's why his legs were much, you can say his legs were hurted. That old man putting food in my mouth, he rubbed my feet gently and made the pain go away. That old man rubbed his feet gently and he made his pain go away. उसने जो है उसके पैरों को जो है आराम हाथों से रगड़ा और उसके जो है जो दर्द था, जो पेन था, उसको ख़त्म किया. Neighbors, strangers, everyone came to visit me. Neighbors of that old man, and sometimes he also saw the strangers who everyone came to visit me. Everyone came to meet Prem. Everyone came to visit Prem. हर कोई उसका पड़ोसी, कुछ ऐसे लोग होते थे जो स्ट्रेंजर्स होते थे जिसको प्रेम ने कभी नहीं देखा था. उसके पड़ोसियों को तो, उसके नीबर्स को तो कभी कभी देखता था वो, लेकिन कुछ कभी कभी ऐसे लोग भी आते थे उससे मिलने जिसको उसने कभी नहीं देखा था. ये लोग उससे मिलने आते थे. Now come to the next line, next paragraph. Tell me, grandfather, I said to him one day, I have never seen people like the villagers here. in my village, people fight with those who pray to another god. But here, this seems a very strange place. Now Prem asked a question to the old man. Tell me, grandfather, I said to him one day. One day Prem asked a question to that old man. Tell me, grandfather, please tell me. I have never seen people like the villagers here. I have never seen the people like here. मैंने ऐसे लोगों को पहले कभी नहीं देखा. In my village, people fight with those who pray to another god. In my village, in Prem's village, people fight with each other, with one another. For why? Who pray to another god. The person who pray to another god fight with the person who pray to another god. अलग अलग गॉड्स को प्रे करने वाले लोग आपस में लड़ते हैं. बट हियर दिस सीम्स अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज प्लेस. बट हियर इन योर विलेज दिस सीम्स अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज प्लेस. इट सीम्स अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज प्लेस. योर विलेज इज अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज प्लेस. आपका गांव तो बिल्कुल अजीब है. पीपल डोंट फाइट विद ईच अदर, विथ वन अनदर. लोग एक दूसरे से नहीं लड़ते. प्रेम रिप्लाइड द ओल्ड मैन, आई विल टेल यू द स्टोरी ऑफ पाम्बू पट्टी. You can take this story back to your village. Maybe it will heal some of its wounds and dry some of its sores. Oh grandfather, I said anxiously, don't say that. What I have seen in my village makes me burn with shame. I never want to go back there. Now Prem, the old man replied to Prem. Replied the old man. The old man replied to Prem. बूढ़े आदमी ने जवाब दिया प्रेम को. प्रेम, he at first he addressed Prem. I will tell you the story of Pambu Patti. I will tell you the story of Pambu Patti. Perhaps you don't know the story of Pambu Patti. Now I am going to tell you the story of Pambu Patti. You can take this story back to your village, and you can also take this story back to your village. You can tell this story टू योर विलेजर्स टू. और तुम इस स्टोरी को अपने गांव भी वापस लेकर जा सकते हो. अपने गांव के लोगों को इस स्टोरी को बता सकते हो. मे बी इट विल हील सम ऑफ इट्स वुंड्स. हील, गेट बेटर, कुछ और अच्छा कर देना, कुछ ठीक कर देना. मे बी इट विल हील सम ऑफ इट्स वुंड. मे बी इट वुड हील, इट वुड मेक बेटर टू द वुंड्स ऑफ योर विलेज, सम ऑफ द वुंड्स ऑफ योर विलेज. तुम्हारे गांव को जो चोट लगी है उस चोट को शायद थोड़ा सा ये कम कर दे. एंड ड्राई सम ऑफ इट्स सोर्स. सोर्स मीन्स ग्रीफ, इंजरी. एंड इट कैन perhaps it can dry some of its source, some of its injury, some of its grief. और शायद कि यह कुछ दुखों को, तुम्हारे गांव के दुखों को कम कर सके. ओह ग्रैंडफादर, I said anxiously. I said anxiously. Anxiously you can say restlessly. मैंने जो है anxiously ये कहा, बगैर इत्मीनान के साथ कहा. ओह ग्रैंडफादर, डोंट से दैट, प्लीज डोंट से दैट. I said the grandfather, that old man, oh grandfather, please don't say that. What I have seen in my village makes me burn with shame. What I have seen my village, the things that I have seen in my village, it makes me to burn with shame. I can't survive with those things. It makes me to burn with shame. And I never want to go back there. And I never want to go back there. Means I never will go to my village. Because now that village is not a good village. It is a very bad village. That's why I never want to go to the village. Next one. But that's exactly why you must go back, he said in a soft voice. I kept quiet. I didn't want to argue with him, and I wanted to hear his story. But the old man said, but that's exactly why you must go back. But that is the exactly thing that I want you to go back to your village. यही तो वो चीज़ है जिसके लिए मैं तुम्हें वापस जाने के लिए कह रहा हूँ. In a soft voice, the old man said these things in a soft voice. I kept quiet. प्रेम kept quiet. प्रेम was totally quiet. वो पूरी तरह से शांत था. I didn't want to argue with him. He didn't wanted to argue to debate with the old man. वो old man से बहस नहीं करना चाहता था. And I wanted to hear his story. And Prem also wanted to hear the story of that old man. Now see the next. It happened a long time ago, he began. So long ago, and there were no schools and no teachers. Children lived in caves with their parents and helped them to collect fruits and berries from the forest. At that time, there were no tigers or panthers or elephants in Pambupatti forest. There were only reptiles, many kinds of reptiles. Now you know what reptiles are? Snakes, crocodiles, turtles, lizards. And you know that a reptile has scales on its body and it lays eggs. Every month the reptiles of Pambupatti had a big meeting. Everyone came, the pretty, excited snakes, the slow, thoughtful tortoises, the clever, quick lizards, and the moody crocodiles, grumpy because they were out of water. The president of these meetings was Makara, the biggest crocodile of the forest. All the animals thought he was very important. When someone is strong and powerful, you know it is difficult not to go along with what he says or does. For today, this is the last paragraph that I will explain in part 1. Now the old man is going to tell the story of Pambupatti to Prem. He said, it happened a long time ago, he began. The old man began, the old man started his story. He told Prem that it is the story of long away. ये बहुत ही पुरानी कहानी है. So long ago that there were no schools and no teachers. It is the story of so long that at that time there was not any school or any teacher. At that time there were not schools and teachers. Children lived in caves with their parents and helped them to collect fruits and berries from the forest. Children lived with their parents only. They helped their parents in daily needs. For daily work. They didn't go to the school. Them to collect fruits and berries from the forest. They helped their parents to collect fruits and berries from the forest. At that time, there were no tigers or panthers or elephants in Pambupatti forest. At that time, in Pambupatti forest, there was not any tiger, not any panther or any elephant. Means there didn't live any panther, elephant or you can say panther, elephant or tiger in Pambupatti forest. There were only reptiles, many kinds of reptiles. There lived only reptiles. There were many kinds of reptiles. रेप्टाइल्स रेंग कर चलने वाले जानवर, वो जानवर जो रेंग कर चलते हैं उनको हम रेप्टाइल्स कहते हैं. देयर वर ओनली रेप्टाइल्स, मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ रेप्टाइल्स. इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ Pambupatti देयर वर मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ रेप्टाइल्स. नाउ यू नो दैट व्हाट रेप्टाइल्स आर. नाउ यू नो, नाउ द ओल्ड मैन इज गोइंग टू आस्क प्रेम, नाउ यू नो व्हाट द रेप्टाइल्स आर. रेप्टाइल्स क्या होते हैं, क्या तुम्हें पता है? स्नैक्स, क्रोकोडाइल्स, टर्टल्स, लिजर्ड्स. Snakes, crocodiles, turtles, lizards, these are the reptiles. And you know that a reptile has scale on its body and it lay eggs. A reptile had scales on its body and it lay eggs. They lay eggs. Reptiles lay eggs. They don't give birth to young ones, but they lay eggs. Every month, the reptiles of Pambupatti had a big meeting. The reptiles of Pambupatti had a big meeting. They call a big meeting every month. हर महीने वहाँ पर एक बड़ी सी मीटिंग होती थी. Everyone came. Every reptiles came to that meeting. The pretty excited snakes, the pretty, you can say pleasant, beautiful snakes, the slow thoughtful tortoise, because we know that tortoise are very slow in walking. The clever quick lizards, the clever quick lizards. Lizards are very quick and clever, that's why it is said the clever quick lizards. And the moody crocodiles, and there were also moody crocodiles who came to the meeting. Grumpy because they were out of water, they were dissatisfied, they were irritated because they were out of the water, whenever here can say crocodiles are out of the water, they are unsatisfied, they are dissatisfied and irritable. The president of these meetings was Makara, and the president of these meeting was Makara. Makara was the head of those animals. The biggest crocodile of the forest. Makara was the biggest crocodile of the forest. There was not any other animal as big as Makara. All the animals thought he was very important. All the animals thought that Makara was very important. सभी लोग सोचते थे, सभी एनिमल सोचते थे कि मकारा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. When someone is strong and powerful, you know. When someone is strong and powerful, you know that if anybody is strong and powerful, तुम्हें पता है कि अगर कोई बहुत पावरफुल है, बहुत स्ट्रांग है, you know it is difficult not to go along with what he says or does. You know, then you know it is difficult not to go along. It is difficult not to go along the things that he is going to say. उसकी बातों के खिलाफ, जो वो कह रहा है उसके खिलाफ जाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. You know it is difficult not to go along with what he says or does. What he says or does, if you don't follow those things, it will be very difficult. Means you can't go against that person. If a person has power and if any person has power, अगर किसी के पास जो if he is strong and has power, then it is very difficult to go against him. अगर किसी के पास बहुत ज़्यादा पावर और स्ट्रेंथ है, तब उसके खिलाफ जाना बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है. So this is the part 1 of what happened to the reptiles. Thank you. Have a nice day.